Hi, this is Zane Mills. Your students call me Mr. Mills, but you, of course, call me Zane if you ever need to contact me. This is IB Visual Arts. Thank you for being here. Thank you for having your students take my class. I love teaching this class. This is a class that I've taught for, I don't know. This is my 18th year at Inglemoor. This is the year that my teaching career becomes a high school senior at 18. But what I start IB like 3 years in, so about 15 years teaching this class. And I love teaching this class. It's an advanced art class, but it's run at an entry level. So students come in from people who are maybe dead set in the IB program and they're taking it just as a sixth subject. And then we've got students who are maybe not IB students at all, but they're taking it because it's an advanced art class. And it's a great mix of different kinds of students coming with different kinds of understandings of what art is and what they want to do in the class. In addition to IB Visual Arts, I have taught really all of the art classes we've offered here almost. And this semester, in addition to this class, I teach stained glass, I teach metal design, and I teach Scandia. We're the group that makes your yearbook. And this class is different than a lot of other art classes in that students really figure out what it's like to work like a professional artist, come up with their own ideas and develop solutions to their own design problems. And so we will have projects in here where I will be teaching them a technique and skill, just like we do in any art class. But we'll also have projects in here where students are going to figure out their own way of going about resolving the problem, where we just have like maybe a topic that we're thinking about, and then students will think about how they want to resolve it. And so this student here might be doing a painting, and this student here might be doing a drawing, and this student here might be doing a performance piece, and this student's doing a sound piece. And so they're all coming at it with different ways to approach the problem, but from there, we're all going to the same topic or same idea that we're resolving in here. The class is structured to help students learn how to make art, and really the basis of IB Visual Arts from the IB standpoint is for students to figure out, why do I make art? We'll answer that question. That's a tough question when you think about it, because usually, well, because I like it. But beyond that, why do we make art? Like, why do you want to make art? What is it that you're trying to do, and trying to figure that out? There are two main components to the class. There's a third component, and the components of the class are designed right after what's required for the IB exam. The IB exam, unlike a lot of other IB classes, there is no paper pencil exam where students sit for exams. The IB exam for IB Visual Arts is just a review of the artwork that the students have created over the duration of the class. So they create artwork, they keep a journal, a sketchbook along with it, and it's a review of what they've done. It's a culmination of everything they've done during the duration of the class. So two main components: one, artwork that you make. Students will put all that artwork together at the end as a portfolio. In addition, the journal that documents how they develop their process for creating artwork is a second component. And then the last component is comparative study, which is a research, kind of a comparison and contrast between different professional artists' work. So it's three main components. And for the IB, the exam standpoint, the major emphasis is on the first two, on the artwork and on the sketchbook. And so the research something is something they have to do, but it is weighted much lower than the others. So I designed the class the exact same way. Students make art all year. Students keep a journal all year long. And then we will also have a little chunk of time that we set aside where they just kind of bang out the research project. What else do I want to tell you guys? I don't know. I'm excited for teaching this class. It's a great mix of students who we have right now. And the class has a mix of both higher level and standard level students. That sounds like IB jargon, but higher level just means it's seniors who are taking this class for a second year. And then their SL, standard level, is students who are taking it for only 1 year. So it's either juniors or it is seniors who have only taken it this year. And both groups of students are in there. We have projects that everyone will be doing and projects that only SL students will be doing. And although it is an IB class, the students don't have to be in the IB program to participate. They can, if they're a diploma, of course they should participate and proceed with the exam. If they're certificate, then yes, I would say take the exam. If this is their only IB class, then it kind of depends. Do they want the experience? Are they looking to earn college credit for it? And then beyond that, we have a lot of students who aren't part of IB at all, but they're just taking it for the art, and that works as well. The class will fulfill all of them. Everyone gets to make advanced art and try and figure out, why is it that we make art? That's a good question. Why does anyone make art? Let's see, what am I supposed to tell you? Oh, because of COVID this year, if you're wondering, like, well, what's going on with exams? IB exams were canceled the last 2 years. However, the IB Visual Arts exam was not, because the IB Visual Arts exam is something that IB feels students can complete even if they are not in the school building. Then the IB exam still happens. And so I'm saying, I'm looking that it will still happen this year, regardless of what happens with COVID. But there are a few changes. One is that they don't necessarily need to hang all of their work up in a gallery for an exhibition. They will allow students to photograph all their work collectively in one area at home or elsewhere. And then they've changed the exam that students could submit one less artwork than what they usually need to. That's not really much of a big deal. But then otherwise, the exam is as in a normal year. It has been for the last 2 years, and that is what IB has said is the plan for this testing period this spring as well. So those of you who have questions about the exam. Anyway, I love the class. I love your students. It's a lot of fun for me. You would think that, I am somebody who I participate in the art world, and I pay attention to what's going on in the professional art world. And so you think with like all the professional art out there that why would I care about student art? But I do. It's always really exciting to see the ideas that students have and how they want to go about resolving them. I get excited every time, and I thank you for allowing your student to participate in this class. So because of that, and thank you for watching this video and participating, being a part of it. If you have any other questions or things you want to find out, I'll put everything in Schoology, and you're also welcome to email me at any time. You can call me as well. The phone is not, I teach in 3 different classrooms. My phone is only in 1 classroom, so you don't always catch me live, but you're also welcome to call. And if you don't catch me, leave a voicemail, but email works as well. Thank you very much for watching this whole video, and I appreciate it. And thank you very much for having your student take my class.